Hi! This video is only intended for educational purposes. First, I'll show you the materials and tools we'll be using to make an Ethernet cable. Insert the cable into your wire stripper. In this demonstration, we are using a round Cat 5 cable. Rotate the stripper around the cable until the entire circumference of the jacket has been cut. Inspect the inner wires to make sure none of them have been nicked. Separate your wire pairs. Untwist all 4 pairs of wires and straighten them out the best you can. If there are any white fibers or a plastic divider in the center, you can now trim it off.
Arrange wires according to diagram. Line up the individual wires in the order shown on your diagram. In our example, we use the common wiring diagram B layout. Use your thumb and index finger to straighten out all the individual wires, while keeping a good grip to keep them in order.
Cut the wires splash about 1/2 from where the jacket was stripped off the cable. Make sure to leave enough that the ends of wires are able to reach the pins of the connectors. The cable needs to go inside the connector housing enough for the crimp tab to come down on top of the jacket and hold it in place.
Insert the wires into the connector. Make sure the connector is oriented properly. The release tab should be facing down toward the ground. Ensure all wires are still in the correct order after they are pushed all the way to the pins. Insert your connector with the wire inside the 8P8C slot of your crimp tool. Give the crimp tool a good squeeze to ensure it goes through the full range of motion and creates a proper crimp. Pull your connector out of the crimp tool to show your finished connector. Repeat all of these steps to crimp a connector on the other end of your cable. Now, we're going to test our cable to make sure all 8 wires are making connection.